like crumbles up into little glue balls, which is disgusting. Hey babes, it's Trenae, aka Trenaejxo. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I wanted to talk about my current beauty favorites. I just wanted to share what I've been loving lately with you guys, and maybe you guys can pick up some of these things if you feel like you could use them or you want to try them out. So yeah, if you want to know my current beauty favorites, then just keep watching. Alright, so first up on the list we have these guys right here, which are the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I love the hydrating formula better than the original formula. I tried the original formula first and I really liked the coverage, but it was just too drying for me, especially for my under eye area. This was like perfect because it gave me the coverage that I liked from these, but it wasn't matte. It's a satin finish and it's super hydrating under the eyes. So I like this formula a lot better. I use these all the time. This is Light Sand, the lighter shade, which I use to highlight, and then this is Deep Cinnamon, which I use for contouring. I got them at Target. I'm not sure exactly how much they cost, but they're like $5 or $6. I know that they're like super cheap. I definitely think you should try these out, pick these up, and let me know what you think. They're comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape concealers, I think. So if you like that and you want to, maybe find something that's a little bit cheaper, then e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer is where it's at. Okay, next up on the list is this baby right here, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I got this actually gifted to me and I'm so glad that I did, because this stuff is like it's so hydrating. It feels so smooth. It's such a luxurious product. It smells really good. It just smells like a nice luxurious like face product, something that they would use at like a spa if you get a facial. I just love the formula of it. It's so hydrating and so smooth and silky. Moisturizers are super important to me. I feel like they are a staple item in your skincare routine. You always want to make sure that your skin is moisturized. Moisturizing your skin definitely can help prevent with like aging, wrinkles, fine lines, all that stuff. And I have dry skin, so moisturizers is definitely like where I like to spend most of my money when it comes to like skincare products. So I'm definitely going to repurchase this when this runs out. It's giving quench, okay? If your skin is dry, if she's thirsty, if she's parched, get you some magic cream, because it's definitely magic. The next product that I have is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Like, this should come as no surprise. I've talked about this a lot, and it's because I love it. Like, I wear it all the time, every single day. If I put something on, I have it on right now just with the lip liner. So if I put something on my lips, I'm putting this on with it. It just feels good. It smells great. It smells like cookies or something sweet. I don't know, but it has like almost like a vanilla scent, which I like to have something that smells good like around your nose. You know what I mean? Because your lips are so close to your nose. So I love the scent. I love the color. This is the shade Amber. This is the shade that this is the only shade that I've tried, but I feel like this shade is perfect for my skin tone. Maybelline did a thing when they came out with this lifter gloss. I love the packaging. I love it. I'm obsessed with this, and I'm gonna go ahead. I want to try some other shades. And every time I talk about this, people always like agree like that they love this. So if you haven't tried the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, you definitely need to. It's a drugstore product, so it's pretty affordable. I think it may have been like between $8 and $10. Go get some. It's so nice to put in your purse. You pull it out, you feel fancy, girl. Like, and it has a super like large applicator, which I love. So it's very pigmented. You don't even need a lot. Like, one swipe gives you pretty good coverage for a gloss. So yeah, just go get some. I don't have nothing else to say other than go get some. The next product that I have, I saw somebody that I know that I follow on Twitter talking about this, and I didn't even know that this existed until I saw her post about it. But this is the Kiss Edge Fixer Glued Max Hold in the scent Sweet Peach. So apparently Saweetie, the rapper Saweetie, she did a collaboration with Kiss for edge control. I mean, it's on brand because she calls herself like the baby hair princess or whatever. So like, no brainer. The first time I tried this, I was shook. Okay, sweetie, shout out to you. And shout out to Kiss, because this hair, I try a lot of edge controls and I feel like none of them really like hold my hair, because I have naturally curly hair and my curls are tight. Most of the time when I put on edge control, it just like curls back up. So I'll have to layer edge control with gel, with hairspray. It's a lot. And I don't really have to do all of that with this. Like, unless I want a super hard hold, or I need it to be like long wearing for like hours and hours, maybe I would do all of that. But this hair, okay, I was shook. All right, talking about Snatching Edges. They have a lot of different scents for you to choose from. I got this just at my local beauty supply store, but I'm sure Amazon has it. But yeah, if you've been looking for an edge control and you can't really find a good one, try this one. The next product that I have, I mean, I'm sure you all are familiar with. It's the Got to Be Glued in the yellow tube, the styling spiking glue. Now, I don't use this on my hair. I actually use this for my brows. So after I apply my brow product, I use this as like brow gel, and I have found that this, I mean, I've tried the Anastasia, the Benefit, I've tried eyelash glue, I've tried NYX brow whatever, like I've tried a lot of brow gel products, okay, and this is the best. Like, I love this the best for me. I find that a lot of the other products just don't give a strong enough hold, or if you use it, like I like for my brows to like kind of lay flat, so I tend to be heavier on the brow gel products or whatever. And when I use this, it doesn't like flake up, it doesn't like crunch up. Like, I've used eyelash glue and it like when it dries, it like crumbles up into little glue balls, which is disgusting. A lot of the brow gels like will just crust up and start flaking. Like, I don't have that issue with this, so I'm never going back, okay? And then this little thing is probably like $4, and it's a whole lot of product in here, so I'm gonna have this for a while. So girl, they can miss me with the rest of that stuff, okay? You want your brows to stay in place all day? Get you some Got to Be, okay? Make sure it's the yellow one, not the black one, because I've tried that one too. And it's because it's a gel, I think I didn't like it as much. But this is more of like a pomade kind of. I know that like brow gel and brow glues and all that stuff isn't really everybody's thing, but if you like that, then get you some of this. I use it on myself, I use it on my clients, I have some in my freelance makeup kit. Like, I'm loving it, okay? I'm here for it. She's here to stay, all right? She's a winner. The next product that I have is this Garnier Fructis Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the all-in-one brightening vitamin C formula. So I use this to remove my makeup. I like to especially like encourage my clients to use micellar water or a cleansing oil or some kind of makeup remover and like a cotton pad or something of the sort to remove your makeup, as opposed to a makeup wipe. There are going to be some times where you just have to use a wipe, you can't get to this or whatever is going on, but for like regular use, definitely you want to use something that is going to help break the makeup down, because wiping off your makeup with makeup wipes will cause you to like tug at your skin. You are constantly wiping and wiping and wiping, and the skin on your face is so, you know, like sensitive and fragile. Because this is a vitamin C formula, I know that vitamin C is good for brightening, and because I have dry skin, sometimes I know my skin can be a little bit on the dull looking side. I use this, I just put some on a cotton pad and then use it to wipe the makeup off my face, and then I just go in with my regular skincare routine. The Garnier Micellar Water is a good brand. Even if you don't get this formula, I would try it if you were looking for a makeup remover. You can get this at any drugstore. So yeah. My next current beauty favorite is the Tree Hut Sugar Scrubs. I knew about sugar scrubs, obviously. I know that you're supposed to exfoliate regularly. I exfoliate my face on a semi-regular basis, but not my body. I was watching Aaliyah's face do her like bath routine or shower routine or something like that, and she used an exfoliator, and I was like, or a sugar scrub, and I was like, why don't I use a sugar scrub when I like do my shower routine? I don't know, like, and I know that I should, it's good for your skin, I just don't, I don't know. But after I saw that video, I started incorporating a sugar scrub into my shower routine. So Aaliyah, shout out to you, girl, for the tip. Yeah, I mean, life has never been better. You do your sugar scrub and then you follow that up with like a body cream or like a good body lotion. It just, you just feel like so luxurious. And like, I mean, listen, self-care, okay? Your skin just feels amazing afterwards, especially like after hair removal. Followed up with a scrub and then moisturize really good. Your skin will feel so buttery soft. I picked these up at Ulta, but I know that they also sell them at Walmart. I got the Tropic Glow scent, which this one is supposed to help with skin firming and tightening. It smells good. I don't even know how to describe the scent. That's not my thing. I'm not even about to try. You gotta stay in your lane. You gotta know what's for you. And then I also got the Shea Sugar Scrub. So this one has shea butter in it, and this is in the Moroccan Rose scent. I really like florals. I got these bad boys. I picked up 2 more because the only thing that I don't like about these is that they go pretty fast. You get 18 ounces in here. Maybe I'm just like, I'm a product junkie, so I use a lot of stuff. So maybe I'm using too much, and that's why I go through it quickly. But I think they should come out with a bigger size. Tree Hut, if you're watching, make these in bigger sizes. But yeah, I love these now that I have them. I keep them in my shower. And if you feel like you don't want to use something like this, if you're more like a natural girl, you like natural products, then you can easily make your own sugar scrub at home. Like literally all you need is 2 ingredients, girl. Brown sugar, natural brown sugar, not like the Domino brown sugar, but like natural brown, like cane sugar, and some olive oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, any type of natural oil, and natural brown sugar, and boom, you got yourself a sugar scrub. Try these in your shower routine, or try a sugar scrub in your shower or your bath routine, and you let me know how your skin feels, okay? I'm telling you, your skin will thank you. And thank me. All right, so the next item that I have here is this perfume. This is the Lancome Idole perfume. This is the travel size. I don't have the full size bottle, but I actually am gonna go ahead and get the full size. One thing that I like to do is when I'm like finding new scents or trying to find new scents is I'll get a travel size or like a purse spray, wear it, see how I feel about it, and if I really like it, then I'll go ahead and buy the full size. So that way I'm kind of like saving money. I mean, I feel like you are kind of like testing out the product before you actually commit to purchasing the full thing, because you might get it, you might like it in the store, and then when you get home and you wear it, you spray it on your body, it doesn't really give what it's supposed to give. Sometimes it doesn't give the same thing that it did in the store. So this is kind of a way for me to be able to try different fragrances out, make sure that I like them before I commit to the full size bottle. But I'm definitely going to repurchase this in the full size, because I didn't think that I was going to like this scent as much as I do. But for like an everyday, I reach for it all the time. And I always put this, like when I take a shower before bed, I have started putting on perfume. And again, if that's not something that you do, you should start. Like, it's life changing. But this is a very light scent, so it's good for that. And it smells good. Again, I like floral scents. It's a floral fresh scent, lightweight, good for every day. So if you're looking for an everyday scent, try the Lancome Idole perfume. Only thing about the full size is the bottle is like kind of weirdly shaped. Like the bottle is so slim that it doesn't stand up on its own. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Lancome needs to like maybe sell a holder for it along with it, because yeah. Go to Ulta, get you a little travel size, okay, and see how you like it. So the last item I have for my current beauty favorites is this Collagen Supplement. If you watch my vlogs, then you know that I have mentioned that I've started taking collagen. This is the Purely Inspired brand. So there's 0 sugar. It says that it has 1 and 3 collagen types. And it's keto certified, so if you're on a keto diet, this is good for you to use. I put this in my coffee in the morning or in my green tea that I have. If I don't drink coffee in the morning, I'll have green tea throughout the day, and I just put it in there. It tastes better to me in hot drinks as opposed to cold drinks, but it doesn't have a flavor. It is unflavored, I will say that. But I don't know, I just think it maybe dissolves better. I don't know, but nevertheless, you can put it in water if you want, girl, if that's how you feeling. But I put it in my coffee or in my green tea. So it's non-GMO, it's gluten-free. There's 18 grams of protein in one serving of this, so it's good for protein as well to get your protein intake. It's 20 grams of collagen in this particular one. Yeah, so I just make my tea or make my coffee, take a scoop of this and dump it in there, stir it up, and you're good to go. Again, I take this every day, so 1 scoop a day. It lasts for about a month. This tub is 1 pound, so this lasts for about 30 days if you're taking it every day. You can put it in smoothies, you can put it in oatmeal, you can put it in a drink like I do. So in case you're wondering about like the benefits of collagen, one that I know for sure, and one of the reasons why I take it, is because it can improve your skin, like the health of your skin, and it promotes like elasticity in your skin. Genetically, the women in my family, we don't have like a lot of elasticity in our skin, so the collagen will help with that, like help to improve that. And also too, like I'm telling you, like when I started taking collagen, I definitely noticed a difference in my skin. Like it just, especially the skin on my face, like it just looks more like supple, a little more like radiant, I would say. Definitely you would have to take it for at least 30 days, I feel like, before you start to notice a difference. But like, girl, when I'm taking my collagen and I'm on it, I'm taking it regularly every day, and I'm drinking water like I'm supposed to, baby, the skin flourishes. Okay, so if that's something that you like struggle with, I definitely would say to try it out for that. But some other benefits is it helps to improve bone health because it contains a lot of protein. It can help increase muscle mass. The muscle mass is definitely something I'm trying to focus on right now. I'm trying to get these gains. It also can help improve heart health. It can help to relieve joint pain, which I definitely can use, okay? Because listen, these not mega knees, okay? They're far from it, not even close. So that's why I like taking the collagen. And like I said, especially for like my skin, I definitely notice a difference. If you are interested in learning any more benefits about collagen, I definitely would say to try to, you know, do some research and make sure, like, before you start taking collagen, as with any other dietary supplement, you consult with your doctor just to make sure that it's okay for you. Alright, babe, so that wraps up my list of my current beauty favorites. Let me know if anything stuck out to you and you think you might actually go and purchase to try out for yourself. And if you have any current beauty favorites, leave them in the comments below. Let me know, because I'm always down to try anything that's going to help me look more beautiful. So, babes, if you like this video, please make sure that you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I will link all of my socials down in the description box below. You can follow me on there, connect with me, chat with me. That's it for today, babes. So until next time.